Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Crafting Chemist. Today we're going to be looking at how to do the front post double crochet, the back post double crochet. We will also be looking at an overview of how to do the basket weave stitch, as you can see here. So to do our different types of double crochets, hopefully you already know how to do that stitch. If not, you can look at one of my other videos that explains how to do it. I'm going to start off with my yarn over, but instead of going through these loops on the top like you would normally for the back post, I'm actually going to go through the main body of my stitch from the back. So I have my yarn over. I'm going to go, like I said, from behind. I'm going to go then around it, grab a loop like that, and then yarn over, go through two, go through two. Show that again. I'm going to yarn over, go from the back around the post of my stitch like that, and I'm going to do it one more time. Go around, yarn over, pull through two, pull through two. So that's how you do the back post. To do the front post, I'm going to yarn over again, but this time I'm going to go from the front. So I'm going to yarn over like so, grab my loop, pull through two, yarn over, there we go. So that is how you do the front post. And so to do the basket weave stitch, it's going to look different depending on how large you want your stitches. If you're using maybe triples, or you're using others, or doing different amounts of how big you want your weaves. But for doing the 3x3 here, you're going to do your chain for the length that you're wanting it. You're going to want to do the math of how many stitches you're going to need. Basically for these, you're going to have it in sets of 6. Plus you're going to have an additional chain 3 in order, actually a chain 4 in order to get the amount that you need here. So what I'm doing here, so you're going to go through, you're going to do double crochets across the bottom. And so that's going to count for your first set of 3 because each of these is a set of 3 rows. So you're going to have your, reiterate, you have your chain, you're going to double crochet across. Then for your second row, you're going to do 3 front post, 3 back, 3 front, 3 back, and so on and so forth. You're going to end your row with a double crochet, just a normal one. You're going to start it with your first stitch being a chain. Once you have that first set of 3 rows done, your next set is going to be flipped. So you're going to have your chain 3, 3 back post, 3 front, 3 back, 3 front, so on and so forth, ending with a regular double crochet. So let me finish off my row here to give my double crochet so that I can have my row finished off. But that is basically the gist of it. I hope this is helpful to how to do the various stitches, especially the post stitches. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hopefully will see you for my next video. Please like and subscribe if this was useful. Bye.